and welcome to Nutrition Therapy by Lucy. This is a channel where we talk about food, good nutrition, and health. Thank you for your support, for always watching my videos, liking, commenting, sharing, but most important for consuming my content. I am so grateful. But if you're here for the first time, please make sure you hit on that subscribe button, the red button. For the new subscribers, karibu sana. Feel welcome. Here we talk all matters nutrition and health, to make sure that we live or we have a healthy lifestyle, because we care about your nutritional status and you care about your overall health. So today we are doing a very simple recipe. We are preparing homemade yogurt. I'm trying to do this for the first time. I have the ideas, but I have never done homemade yogurt. But today we are going to try it out with you. So we are crossing fingers and let's hope that our yogurt itatokea vizuri. So as usual, as we continue watching this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, get interactive. Let me get to know what you'd like me to maybe to discuss or even prepare here in my kitchen. So let's see what we have or what you require to prepare a homemade yogurt. So actually what you require to prepare your homemade yogurt, you need some milk. This is about it's about half liter. I'm going to use half liter because sitatengeneza mingi, because I'm trying this for the first time. So I have only half liter of the milk, and I am going to use the culture from natural yogurt. Culture ni when you read if you are keen on reading the ingredients. Here we have some, it's not clear, but we have the cultures that are used to prepare yogurt, zenye zinasaidia kumultiply the good bacteria. Like the most common ones, they're the streptococcus, the thermophilus, those the lactobacillus, those ones. So I'm going to use a cup of this for my culture. So you only need your natural yogurt and you need your milk. But important thing to note, please, when you are preparing it, don't use anything metallic. For stirring, don't use a metallic spoon, and also use a plastic bowl. Don't use anything metallic, because the metals, they kill the bacteria, and we need as much as healthy bacteria to multiply to make our yogurt thick. So have yourself plastic bowl, plastic spoon. Don't use anything metallic. So let's prepare and see. I'm going to transfer my milk here. And also, kama ushaijaribu to make the natural yogurt, how was it? Ilitokea aje? I'm doing this for the first time. I don't know why I'm doing it for the first time, but there is always a first time for everything. But you can let me get to know kama ushaijaribu ilitokea aje. Ama ni wewe tu unajua. So let's do this. Let's prepare and see what we are going to have. So this is the culture from the natural yogurt that I am going to use. So I'm going to mix my half liter milk with this. Actually, ikitokea vizuri, we are going to make a strawberry, the flavored one. So that is a cup of natural yogurt. Then, like we have said, use a plastic spoon. Don't use anything metallic. Going to mix well. Remember, yogurts, they are very healthy for ladies. If you struggle with the UTIs, you can try having maybe a glass of natural yogurt daily. Inasaidia to clear those UTIs. And also yogurt for the pregnant women. If you are pregnant, I think yogurt is one of the foodstuffs yenye haustahili kukosa, because of, again, pregnancy and UTIs, they are very common in pregnancy. So having a glass of yogurt, na ukiweza kujitengenezea nyumbani, it can be very cheap, it can be very affordable. So that's our milk. Our milk can, you can see, inakaa tu maziwa maji. But now we are going to the next step. The next step is I'm going to cover it. Going to cover it. Going to cover it. Let me show you how you are going to do it. Because you are covering it because you are not using oven. So this is how you are going to prepare ours. I'm going to use my baby show. You can use either anything warm. You can use a Masai shuka or anything warm that you have. But tunahakikisha hakuna hewa inaingia kwa our yogurt. And also penye nitaiweka, we are not going to move it for the next 24 hours. So that's how it is. Na actually penye utaiweka, avoid kushinda ukishake, unaitoa hapa unaipeleka hapa. Wacha ikae pahali pamoja for the next 24 hours. So that's our yogurt, and let me see you after the 24 hours. And welcome back after letting our milk and culture rest for absolutely 24 hours. It's how we placed it, bado sijaisongesha, and now we are going to see what we have for our final product, whether our yogurt thickened or maybe something went wrong. I hope I won't get disappointed because I'm actually even ready to sweeten our yogurt. So let's see what we have. Remember how we have prepared it. So let's see what we have. I think for now, the reason why we covered, because we were not using an oven. I just hope that we have yogurt, not something else. Let's see. First mix everything. Remember we were making natural yogurt, or you can say the unflavored yogurt. And I think it's good. It's not that bad. Remember, the more you keep it, the more it thickens. This is only after the 24 hours, and I can see some good progress. The longer you keep it, the longer the healthy bacteria multiply, making your yogurt thicken even more. But what we have after the 24 hours is just okay. And remember what we said, or what rather we have said, don't stir your yogurt using a metallic maybe spoon, and also don't use a metallic bowl. Make sure you're using plastic, because use of metallic spoon and maybe sufuria, they kill the healthy bacteria, and we need the healthy bacteria so that our yogurt can thicken. So this is what we have. Going to transfer it here. You see whether it has thickened. And this is our yogurt, homemade. I'm just happy, like imetengenezeka. Remember I said that I'm doing this for the first time, and at least I can see something good has come out. So now you're going to flavor it. Remember it's natural, so it's sour. If you usually take the natural yogurt, unajua that sourness. But for now, I want to try and sweeten it with my few remaining berries. So let's see, maybe acha tuone tu venye itatokea. My berries are already clean. I'm going to and now let's see what we have. My berries were just kidogo. And this is our homemade yogurt. Actually, for now, we can call it homemade strawberry yogurt. But now, since I know inaweza tokea vizuri, I'm going to do a proper, or maybe we're going to, the next recipe for yogurt, you're going to keep it for maybe 72 hours or so, and you're absolutely going to have more berries, strawberries, so that we can make a well-made homemade yogurt, or the strawberry yogurt. But this is definitely homemade natural yogurt, maybe flavored with some little strawberries, and it's actually very simple because you only need your milk and or maybe the bioactive yogurt for your culture. So this is one way of making yogurt, very simple, and also it's affordable because you can't compare the price of milk and yogurt. So it's very affordable. Ukinunua maziwa mingi, unaweza tengeneza yogurt mingi kwa nyumba. So that's all for now. I hope you've learned something. I hope this video is informative, and hope umesoma kitu. Let me get to know your thoughts on the comment section. And as usual, give it a thumbs up, share, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload another recipe, another maybe health talk, you'll be among the first few people to get notified. Bye bye and subscribe.